Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your existing account on MetaTrader 5. So let's get started right away. First of all, just go ahead and open up the MetaTrader application, and then this will open up the application interface. Now if you have logged in and logged out previously, then you will directly see the login box when you open up the application. You can simply type in your login user ID followed by your password and then click on the OK button to log in to your account. In case you're using a shared device, make sure you deactivate the button which says Save Password. Then if you click on the OK button, you will immediately be logged in to your account. In case you don't see the login pop-up, simply click on the File button at the top left corner and then click on Open an Account. Now from there, select MetaQuote Software Corp and then click on Next. Then you can select the third option which says Connect with an existing trade account. Now you will simply need to type in your login credentials including your username and your password. Then finally click on the Finish button, and now you will be logged into your account with MetaTrader 5. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.